Here is a cute little fridge. Look at this little thing. And to give you an idea of scale, look. Ta-da! There is a cube of Pringles. Yeah. So this is a USB powered fridge. You've got to lift the handle up and down. There's a little mechanism in here, look. So you have to sort of like push it down for it to lock, and then push it down to open it up. Being USB powered, it's not going to be a proper fridge, but it's a cooler. And just to give you an idea, I've got a bottle of water out there that's been sat at room temperature, and I've got a thermometer up there, which I'm going to pop it in here and drop my little thingy-bob in. You can see, so that's set at 19 degrees and it's set at room temperature. And the bottle that I'm going to take out of the fridge now, that fridge has been on for nearly 24 hours now. Let's just take this one out, open it up, do it awkwardly with one hand whilst trying to do a video, and look, 13 degrees, 12 degrees, ooh. So it does take the chill off. It's not going to make your drink freezing cold. It's not a proper fridge, but it doesn't do a bad job of chilling your drinks. But not immediately. It takes a long old time. As I said, that was on for 1 o'clock this afternoon. It's now working okay. You can see how big it is. Maybe you can fit 2 bottles of water in, maybe 4 bottles of water actually when I look at it. Yeah, 4 bottles of water. But don't expect miracles. It's good. And I think the finish isn't too bad. It's a bit plasticky, but don't expect miracles. It will chill your water, or your drinks, or your makeup, or your chocolate.